I'm just going live today. Hey, what's up, Captain? Thanks for joining my live. I'm just doing a short live stream. Just checking in on Cyber World, see what's going on. How is everyone doing? Hope everyone is having an amazing day. Hey, bless up, Cross fam. How you doing? Thanks for joining my live. Remember, guys, once you join the live, just leave a like. It's the double top the screen. This is my first live stream since I'm hitting 1K. So I just want to get to know all of my subscribers one by one. And hope I can be still making nice and creative content. Oh, is the weather like where you guys are? Oh, that's nice. I'm happy you're doing good as well. I'm just here chilling in the afternoon. It's not bad, the weather is good today. How is everyone doing? Hope everyone is enjoying the nice weather. Oh yeah, the background. Yeah, I took that photo the other day, man. It's very nice. The sunshine was very beautiful that day. I guess I had a perfect angle of the sun. You can see right there. It was good. Very good. Oh, that's nice. The weather is beautiful. Whoa. That's wonderful, right? Because the last time I saw you on the live, you were very cold outside, so the weather is cool now. Oh, your weather is harsh. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Hopefully it gets warm very soon, and you have some nice sunshine to enjoy. Oh yes, Kirk. Yeah, man. Let's link me, man, on IG. Is it? You just shoot me a message over there, and I will get back to you. Don't know. Yeah. So I'm just here chilling. Oh, brother. B and K Roofing. Yeah, bless up, Wagwan. Welcome to my life. Yeah, summer is on the way. Yeah, man, summer is on the way. But before summer comes, it's gonna be spring first, and some rain, and birds start to sing and chirp, and the trees getting green again, and everything getting fruitful. Guys, once you join the live, please double tap the screen and give me a like. So today you guys can finally see who's behind the camera, because this is officially my. Yes, I am Jamaican. Yeah, I am definitely Jamaican, 100% Jamaican. Where are you guys from? Where are you from? This live I'm doing today, we're not really. Oh, I have a background on. Well, you know what? It's actually my first time trying out the background thing, so I just put it on anyways. There's no specific reason why I have the backgrounds on. Jamaicans are everywhere. What can I say? It's an adventure to be Jamaican, let me tell you that. We're very unique and adventurous persons. Oh, and GTA. Hey, you know what? It's been a long time I played video games. Well, listen. It's not about where you're from or who you are. We're all in this journey of life together. So we're all treading the same path. We're all coming together experiencing different things, because I've experienced a lot of different cultures. So you're welcome. It doesn't matter where you're from or who you are, what race. We don't discriminate. Okay, we don't segregate. We are together. We're all the same. Do you have any mods? I am DBL World. To be honest with you, I don't know anything about what's going on with uh gaming thing in this time and age now. Sorry about that. Okay, no worries, no worries. No worries. Where you from, if you don't mind me asking you? Oh, you mean moderators? Oh, I know what you mean. Oh, I know what you mean, Oh, Ghana. Oh, see. So once it's once you're from African continent, you're definitely some heritage of Jamaican, because in Jamaica we were like, it's a long history of all those from slavery days and stuff like those, which I wouldn't get into details with those, but I think it's the same generations of people from. Oh, you're from Honduras. Hey, bless up yourself, from Honduras. I had some friends from Honduras one time when I was working somewhere. Yeah, one of my barbers before was from Honduras. You guys are very cool, easygoing, very genuine and authentic people from Honduras. Bless up Honduras. Oh, is it? I have a voice of a teacher. Oh, thank you. Africans are same from my point of view. Yeah, we're all one people. Oh, life for me, cross on life is, listen, I've encountered so many life experiences and learned so many new things. Like now I'm trying to learn my Mandarin and stuff like those. I'm learning Mandarin, so I speak a little bit Mandarin as well. Yeah. So 今天我有拜一个音变的，我有讲 Mandarin，我有讲中文、英文 and Jamaican Creole. Yeah, so I speak a little bit Mandarin. Alright, bless up DBL World Sub. Yeah, thanks you for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. But you see, cross from, as a Jamaican, we can adjust to everything and get acquainted with everything. The thing is, we just need to be humble. And once we're humble, it's all smooth. It's not like everything is gonna go the way you want it to go, but I mean, once you're humble, it's gonna get there. Slowly but surely. Yeah, it is. I've like, based on from my experiences, I'm more exploring Asian culture, Asian food. Cause man, I love me some good Taiwanese food and some good Korean food. Those are the two major cultures that I've doubled in right now. Korean and Taiwanese food. It's amazing to explore other cultures and see other people's way of life and see life from other people's perspective as well. It's amazing. Very, very amazing and unique. Hey man, listen man, may I tell you, bro, food in Asia. There's so many things that I want to share with you guys about food. Man, okay. Next live I'm gonna do a live that's gonna be dedicated to food. We're gonna talk about food, like all different kinds of food. What's the I'm gonna have a scripted live to talk about food specifically, because There's so many foods that's made. It's the same thing, but it's made totally different. Man, listen, man. It's so, yesterday I actually saw someone made a video. She's on, we just click connected on YouTube, and she made some pork chops. But all of the time I've seen people make pork chops, I've never seen them like you seared it, then you put it in a pressure cooker for a while, like you pressure it for like 10 minutes or so forth. And man, it was amazing. I was like, whoa, this is something I've never seen anyone pressure cook put the pork chops in the pressure cooker before. I've never seen that. But it's amazing. Yeah, man, it's good to experience all of them, man. If you check my channel, you can see there's one food in Taiwan called hot pot, where you go, it's like a soup on a table like this, and you put it on, it's like there, you get the strips of meat, this thin slice of meat and vegetable, you just cook it and eat from the pot, right there and then. It's amazing, man. Amazing. Like, there's so much food that you can see in different cultures, but it's like it's the same of what you had before, but the name is different and the way they make it is different. Like, for instance, in Jamaica we have something called stew chicken, right? Or fricassee chicken, or whatever people might call it. And listen, man, there's a chicken in Taiwan called sambeji. And man, is sambeji almost the same as stew chicken, but it's cooked totally different, but it has a similarity. It's amazing, I tell you. It's amazing. Hi, legendary princess. Thanks for joining my live. Welcome to my live. Oh man, I love food. I love food. The thing is, I love to cook, and I'm exploring cooking now. Baba, hello from Amsterdam. Yeah, hi from Bishop Amsterdam. Amsterdam. What is the weather over there now? Yeah, man. Food. If you call it food, I'm here. Foodie. The thing is, I like to cook, so now I'm trying to explore. Yeah, I know it's in Netherlands. I'm saying always the weather over there now. I like food. Love food. Well, they said love is it's dark. Oh yeah, because it's nighttime now. Yeah, you're right. They say love is the universal language, but if you ask me, food is the universal language. Oh, it's cold. Whoa. It will get warm soon. Yes, food. Yes, yes. The thing is, with me, I know good food. So if it's good food, I know it because I can cook. That's one thing I am passionate about. I learned to cook food. So if it's good food, count me in. Count me in. I know what's going on once it's good food, man. Nothing like a plate of good food. Hey, there's one time, like when I just moved to Asia, I was so skeptical about the food. I was like, oh, I don't like this. I don't want to try that. I don't want to try this. And after trying a few times and stuff like those, my taste bud adapted to the flavor. And now I'm like a food connoisseur of all of these things. Like a lot of food that I was like, oh, I'm not gonna try that. How good are you in cooking? You're confident. Well, I'm learning, but listen, I have confidence in myself. I am very confident. Yes, I am very good at cooking. Yes, I am confident in myself that I'm very good at cooking. You can check out my channel. I have a lot of cooking video there as well. But listen, if you don't have confidence in yourself, who is gonna do it? No one is gonna do it. So in the beginning of all things, you have to be confident in yourself. So I'm confident in myself where in that aspect. Martin, the food don't used to be good for me, to be honest, as long as they cook, just serve it. Well, you love food differently then. But listen, man, if you love food, you should visit Taiwan. There's so many foods because on like Tuesday nights, there's night market. So like from about 5:34, they start setting up. Tuesdays, someplace Wednesdays and Fridays and Saturdays there's night markets. Just like how we have Grand Market in Jamaica. Every week there's something like Grand Market going on over there in Taiwan. But it's the same, all food, street food and everything. You're the second person telling me this. Is it? Yeah. I mean, you need to. Oh, you just came from Thailand. Yes, Kirk. Thailand is nice over there. Thailand is nice as well. I've been to Thailand. But I'm talking about Taiwan, not Thailand. A lot of time we Western confuse the two countries. Thailand and Taiwan. They're two different countries. I don't know if you know if you're doing that now, but I'm just saying in general speaking, Thailand and Taiwan. The food over there was wonderful. I'm going to drop a video. Oh yes, Kirk, you should definitely drop a video about Thailand. Thailand is nice. Yeah, I went to Bangkok before. And you went to Pattaya, a floating market. Where's the food on your channel? Captain. He said he's gonna drop the video soon. I think Captain is restreaming now to get like 1K, right, Captain? Yeah, you're getting there though, bro. You're getting there. Yeah, you're getting there. Progressing. It's getting there, fam. Yeah. Yeah, man, food. Yeah, Captain Kirk have food video over there, man. Yeah, I saw him eating a lobster. That lobster is as big as my head, like super big. That's an enormous lobster. Uh, oh, Captain Cross. Oh, Cross farm. No, I don't think he's gonna eat the kids' food. No. Maybe some, but not all of it. Mm-mm. Maybe some, but not all of it. I don't think he's gonna eat all of the kids' food. That's something that I used to do a lot when I was a kid. Come back from school, I would look into their lunch pans and take it out when I was a child. Yo, well, the thing is, listen, confession is good for the soul. So now, since you confessed about it, you have been forgiven. So you have a clean slate, my brother. A clean slate. So don't mess it up this time. Stay on the straight and narrow path. But what? Hey, come to talk of this. Eunice, always, what's like the, in Ghana, what's the main food over there? I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Eunice Talata. I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name properly, but if I'm not, please forgive me. Always food over there, like in Ghana. I've never really experienced any African food like that. Well, other than some of the ingredients we have in Jamaica is the same over there, but I've never like talata. Okay. I've never experienced those, so I'm wondering, how is it like over there? Yes, Captain, you went to Africa, right? You went over there because I saw you had like an entire pig roasting on a fire outside. Fufu and banku is the common one. I always hear people talk about fufu, but I've never tried it. I always seen people eating that, but I've never tried it, so I'm not really sure what is it like. But hopefully one day in the future I can get a chance to try that as well. But I mean, food. That's the universal language, food. Yeah, because if you have good food, people are gonna come. Yeah, if you have good food, like it doesn't matter which walks of life it's from. Once you have good food, people are gonna come in. One food I've got addicted to in Asia was their Asian barbecue and sushi. Before going to Asia, I never liked sushi because the sushi we see in Western cultures are mainly raw food. Over there, they have different kind of sushis. If I even have a sushi video on my channel, sushi is amazing. And one thing about over there in Asia is their meat is different from Western meat. Our meat in Western countries, not to bash my own nation or my own people, but in fact is fact. And the truth is an offense, but it's not even an offense. The truth hurts sometimes. But listen, meats in Asia, if you ask me, from my personal experience and my opinion, is better quality than what we have in Western culture in most cases. It doesn't smell that strong. They think they feed their pigs more organically, or animals in general. And cooking time is lesser than these. It's not that long cooking time, to be honest. You should try fufu. It's delicious. Hopefully one day I'll try it. God bless girl P. Thanks for joining my live. How are you? Crash from you don't like that food. Yeah, sushi is amazing. Let's see. Oh, Crash from you don't like. Oh, that's what I'm saying, Crash from. There's sushi that's not raw. I had the same narrative as before. I have the same narrative as well about sushi, because all the sushi I saw was raw before, and when I tried sushi over there in Taiwan, I was like, "What have I been missing out on? This is amazing." You can check my channel. There's a video on my channel called Kura Sushi. It's a Japanese chain store in Taiwan over there. There's a lot of different sushi store, but that one is my favorite. Well, you can check it out. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. You're doing well. Give thanks, yeah? You can check it out, Crosspam. If you go over there and have sushi, you'll have a different mindset about sushi. But, like, why are people always saying sushi is raw? It doesn't have to always be raw. That's what we got it all wrong. What say your time, Martin? What says your time, Martin? Huh? I don't understand. Talata? What says your time? Or you mean what time is it where I'm at now? Yes, Cap, yes, Crossfam. You should definitely, if you travel that side, try some sushi. It's different, you know? You don't have to get raw sushi. Because I had the same concept. Like, I don't like sushi. Because every time I see sushi, it's raw. But when I went there and I tried sushi, it's like, this is different. Different kind of sushi. From what I've seen, or what I've been what we've seen in Western culture. Because the thing is, when you're in a different side of the world, the food that you see, it's just like there's not a lot of competition to it. Hey, bless up Journey, welcome to my live. Thank you for joining. How are you doing? Yo, we're just talking and talking, just chilling out, you know? Talking about food. Yes, food. My favorite thing that's in a food. Yeah, food is my favorite thing, man. Yes, Croissant. So as I say now, most times when you see Asian food in Western cultures, it's not a lot of like authentic as it is when you go over there. It's very different. Because I've seen Chinese food and Asian food in Jamaica. And if you ask me, well, my grandma said if you don't have nothing good to say, don't say nothing. So I leave it at that. So put two and two together and you see what it is. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy going there. So but if you go there and experience it, yes, we have the same concept. And sometimes it's stuff that's we stick to the culture. Sometimes we need to move over the culture. All right, take for instance, the other day I was cooking rice and peas. And you know what I did? I did not add the coconut powder until I had the rice and the peas. And it turns out the same. It turned out the same, or even nicer than sometimes when I cooked it the traditional way. So sometimes we just need to break out of tradition and try some other stuff. Because sometimes tradition is not always the same. Because sometimes we say, okay, this is the way it's done. What about the person who first did it? Is that the way he did it? He or her did it? I don't think so. It's just sometimes people may do something this way and it's very popular and we say, that is the way to go. That's why they say they always have a shepherd for the sheep. But sometimes we need to be our own shepherd for our own sheeps. Not everything we see we should follow. Yeah, the traditional is something I tried since I'm in Canada to break out of and try different stuff. Yes, you should definitely do that. Because sometimes traditional is all, well, not say all wrong, but there's some broken lines there that we need to put together ourselves and make our own pathway. Yeah, we need to experience different thing, man, and try it for ourselves. We can't just sit around and say traditional this, traditional that. No, bro. It doesn't go that way. We need to make our own tradition. Trying different food is what you love. Well, listen, man. Listen to me. If that's what you love, we're on the same boat right over here. And listen, the world is very small. So we might just meet up one day. The world is very small. Yeah, it's super small. So hopefully one day we can meet up and go on those adventures. One food people are skeptical about. I'm gonna dabble in that, and it's Indian food. So I met an Indian friend, and we have been talking. I told him I do some videos and stuff like that. So I told him I've always been curious of Indian food because the way people project it on the internet, they always be like, oh, da 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 da. But I told him, listen, one day I'm gonna come over and I'm gonna record you making some Indian food. I'm gonna try it. Oh, hi, Watch Cream. Welcome to my live. How are you doing? Thank you so much for joining. Remember, guys, please double tap the screen. Give me a like. Let's see. Thailand is the dream destination to go. Yes, Cross from Thailand. Yeah, you can Thailand is very nice over there. Very nice in Thailand. Very nice. They have a unique culture over there in Thailand. I used to go over there when I was working before, and on cruises. Thailand is nice. But I'm not in Thailand. I don't live in Thailand. I live in Taiwan. So a lot of people get that confused with Thailand and Taiwan. Because Thailand is TH and Taiwan is TA. Okay? Yeah, so as I said, Thailand and Taiwan. So either you're going to Thailand or Taiwan. Which one is it? I think it's Thailand. Because most time people here, it's Thailand. Hey, one thing in Thailand though, listen, when you go to Thailand, the what they call them now, lady boys are prettier than the girls over there. Especially if you go to the floating market, like the lady boys are the prettiest things over there. So just go over there to open mind. Hey, oh, Watch Queen. I watch your playlist. Number 14 on your playlist. I think that video you need to change it age appropriate. I don't know if there's something being said in the background, but when I was watching it, there's a censor like age appropriate came up on it. I'm not really sure. I woke up to it, so you can check it out and just adjust it like in case it caused any problem for you in the future. Yeah, Apex State, what's up, bro? Respect. Bless up for joining my live. Yeah, Spiral, what's up, Spiral in the building? How you doing, bro? Welcome to my live. Yeah, I'm just chit chatting here, chilling. Yeah, engaging with my subscribers. I've looked at it. I was like, oh whoa, I haven't been. I promised that I was gonna go live when I hit 1K, and it just slipped over my head. I didn't do it, so that would be rude of me to make a promise and not fulfill it. So today's the day. I'm like, all right, the boys are out sleeping. They're tired. I brought them to the pool or just swimming, so they're chilling out. Then I was like, yeah, let me go and just make a quick live and just chill out for a moment. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. It's not gonna be very long though, because listen, after this I got a ship to sail. Yeah, you know what I mean? Ship to sail. I'm gonna cook some food. That's what I'm calling a ship. I love food. So after this I got a ship to sail. So I'm just chilling out with a bit with you guys to see what's going on. Get more interaction. Now's the time I need to build my community. I need to get more acquainted with everyone on my subscription list, all of my friends. Listen, here we're a family. We're all in this. Fresh type. Yeah, bless up fresh type. Welcome to my live. How are you doing? Everything is blessed? What are you guys cooking today? It's food day. Today's when? Today's Wednesday? Yeah, it should be Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. Middle of the week. Today is mid-holiday. Yes, Spiral. Yeah, man. Authentic art I love, you know? This is a multicultural environment. Everyone is welcome. No discriminative. You see me? Everyone is welcome here. Very versatile environment. Yeah, thank you, Talala, for joining my live. Good night. Enjoy your sleep and have a wonderful dream. Mackerel and sardine with olive oil and tomato, man. That's nice. You know, spiral and them little small cherry tomatoes they put in inside. Stew peas, man, brother. Hey, cross me know so me never cook. I have never, ever, me never cook stew peas, you know. Godzilla is here, still not safe. I'm new to the live stream. Welcome to my live stream, Godzilla. How are you doing? Where are you from? Where are you watching from? Hope all is well with you. Yes, okay. Amazing. Amazing, Sparrow. That's nice. That you, wow. That's some, what I say, Mediterranean style food, right? Yeah, Mediterranean style of food. That's a very nice food. I think I had that food one time over there in where's that place called? I think someplace in Sicily. Yeah, I think I had it someplace in Sicily one time. Very nice, but I didn't. They had those what? Those pickles inside, right? I don't like pickles. I love food, but there's quite a few things that I don't really like the taste of. Mm. Yes, Watch Cream. I watched your video. Listen, man, you're very creative with that thing. Like you made the dough with those beans. Those what chickpeas. You made the dough with those chickpeas. That's amazing. That's so artistic. How did you come up with that recipe? That's so artistic. Yeah, not that kind of pickle. Not that kind of pickle. I'm talking about like pickle, not like kimchi pickle. I love kimchi. What are you saying, Spider? I love kimchi, bro. Yeah, Watch Queen is amazing, man. Like that pizza, I look at it like, whoa, this is top class thing. Because I saw it was so chickpea, and I was like, okay, you're gonna probably blend it and use the residue and make it with some flour or nothing. I saw you doing that, I was like, whoa, this is something else. I've never seen this before. You're tired of eating bread. Oh, wow. Listen, how did it taste though? That should be amazing, man. That should be amazing. As I said, you live, you learn. You learn every day. I was just talking about earlier. I saw someone making pork chops the other day, and she after she seared both sides of the pork chops, she put it in the pressure cooker for like for a while. And I was like, whoa, I've never seen that either. Yeah, you're very creative. Very good. Very good creative watch queen. That was amazing. I saw it and I was like, whoa, I've never seen that done before. Because I know pizza, they need to have the big dough and the big edges and stuff, and you just craft it up and make it like a pro. Man, imagine that in one of those big stone oven, like there's those big oven that they have like in those restaurants in Italy, those big ovens. Imagine you putting that inside, gonna have more crunches to that. Whoa, that's nice. It tastes good. I can only imagine because it's all natural. I wish I had a big stove oven. Like, yes, but man, if you have one of those oven, man, you hit gold, man. I just shared you on my community. Okay, thank you very much, Journey. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for all your support, guys. It's been a long time coming. A long time coming. Because I started YouTube, to be honest, not to be like doing YouTube. I started it because my friends back home in Jamaica used to always ask me, yo, what's it like over there in Taiwan? I was like, okay, let me start recording some video and just put it up there. You guys can see what's going on. Then I was like, okay. I started making friends, and then I was like, all right, I'm leaving the truck stop now, guys. I will see you in the YouTube. All right, Cross fam, listen, safe travel out there, now. Be safe on the street, isn't it? Because sometimes it's not you, but it's the person. It's another person. So be safe, safe travel. Yeah, I started YouTube like just doing videos for just like storage purposes, and then I was like, okay, it can turn into something. Then I visualized it, and I was like, okay, I taught myself how to do editing and stuff like those, and like in the doubling the entire world of digital and stuff like those. And I was like, okay, let's try this. And then the funny thing is, like, I hit the watch hours, and then I couldn't get subscribers. I was like, whoa. And then I heard everyone saying, oh, they can't hit the 4K watch hours. And I was like, man, I can't get subscribers for sure. What's going on here? And then it was struggling there, and then finally it 1K. So, and listen, thanks to you guys. First of all, I want to say thanks to Journey. The help of Journey's platform, I hit 1K. So thank you guys for all the support that you have given me. I will never forget what you guys have done for me. Yeah, bless up the Journey. I remember when I went to Journey channel, when I went to I met Journey and Martin's Family Forever. Yeah, I went to Journey live. I met Journey and Martin's Family Forever. I went over to her live. The first night I went over there, I feel like I've known all of these people from a long time ago. Yeah, it was all love. It was all love. There may be some hurdles there in the community here and there, but listen, it's life. Not everyone is gonna be as they are seen to be. There's gonna be some fake cloth in the real, but listen, it is what it is. We live, we learn. Yeah, as time goes by. But listen, man, the Journey of My Life channel over there, I will forever be grateful. Yeah, definitely be grateful. And then she introduced me to Village Live, and I went over there because I needed like what? I think I needed like 40 more subscribers or so, like. And I went over there and I got it. Yeah, on top of what I got from her community. And it's very nice. Very nice, man. Like, it's something happening here, like with our community and all of us here, and it's gonna blossom into something one day. Slowly but surely, it is going to blossom into something one day. We just have to be consistent and be real. And as Jordan said, be nice. Just be nice, yeah? Oh, hi, Special. How you doing? Thanks for joining my live. The Queen of England has arrived. How are you doing? Good evening. We're just here chit-chatting, you know what I mean? I promised I was gonna do a live chit-chat at 1K, and somehow it went over my head. Like, I've been doing a lot of videos, like I have a lot of videos editing to post, and I was like, it's actually rude for me to say that and not fulfill my promise. So today I was like, okay, I have a little bit of time. Initially I said I was gonna do this live for like 20 minutes, but it's like almost 40 minutes now. So I was like, let me just go ahead and do it, get it on. So I'm just trying to get engaged with every one of my subscribers, everyone on my community, all of the YouTube families that's here. Just want to get acquainted with everyone, one by one. Yeah, thank you very much. I just want to get acquainted with everyone, show my gratitude, because I'm thankful. When you get support, brother, the time goes fast. Yeah, yes, the time goes fast, but like, I promised it, so I want to fulfill it, you know what I mean? Yes, Special, how are you doing? I want to fulfill it, yeah, so I don't want to be that guy. Yeah, but anyways, this live is not gonna be long though, because I need to go wrap up some stuff, you know? Yeah, I'm gonna be cooking some food tonight. Yes, but man, I appreciate every one of you guys for all the support that you're giving me. All the love that I've got over here is real, yeah? It's real. It's real. Oh, wow. My first super chat. Thank you very much. Oh, thank you very much, special. Thank you very much. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say, but man, that's so nice of you. Like, wow. But I mean, man, it's been amazing that I met you guys. You guys have been so good to me, especially Journey. She's been very like welcoming. The moment we got into her channel, she's like welcoming, like so welcoming to me. I was like, whoa, man, this is so amazing. The way she, the way she do stuff over her channel. Like she makes everyone feel welcome. Like she just give it to you, like give you the privilege and everything at all times. It's amazing. Like, you know, we met but not in person. We met like in cyber world, and you can feel the authenticity of people. It's amazing. Because before I was, to be honest, let me tell you guys this. I'm not shy. I'm very jovial. I make friends easily. I go, wherever I go, people love me because I would say I say I'm polite. I know to approach people. I know to speak with people. I know to strike up a conversation. But for some reason, I was like, do I want to be behind the camera? If you guys can see, this is actually the first close up of me talking to you. This is the first one. This is the first of me talking to you guys. So in the future coming, I want to. I was telling Journey the other day on live that I need to do more lives. Yeah, I need to do more lives to get more acquainted with everyone, more personal relationships to build. Yeah. It's not like I'm shy or anything like that. But sometimes, you know, I have my two boys, they're like, they love the camera. Like, if they weren't sleeping there, they would be on my lap over here, jumping over and all of that. Sometimes they love the camera, but me as a parent, I need to know that there are boundaries because something are best put aside, you know what I mean? Yeah, but I don't want to give them the limelight that they don't want because for now they don't really know what they want to choose. So, for me having the camera up in their face every day, yeah, they love the camera. But for me to have in there to have the camera up in their face every day, I don't think that that's fair to them to put them out there like that because it's not like they had an option to choose that. I can say like because now anywhere they go to do anything, I need to sign my signature. So I am responsible for them. So I don't want to put them in that way. And my wife, I don't really want to put her. It's not if she's want to come inside, I'm okay with that. But if they didn't say that, I'm not gonna push it up on them. I'm like, no, my channel, it's about sharing my journey, our journey as a family, my experience, because my experience and my path that I'm clearing right now is unique from everyone. If you check the statistics, because listen, in Jamaica, when we're growing up, people from Jamaica, we go to Canada, England, America, and the Caribbean. How many Jamaicans migrate and go to all the way to Asia, to Taiwan? Hey, Conchop, welcome to my live, Conchos. You can count it on your hands. And I got the opportunity to go there, make a family. I'm having my family, and I'm learning so much things. I'm learning to speak Mandarin. It's not perfect, but it's getting there, little by little. And I would say I slack off a bit. So, but listen, Zotian woyo pai iga impien woyo jang Sangha language woyo jang Ingun, Jongun, and Jamaican patois. So listen, see the next video that will come out. Me, I talk three different languages of that. It may not sound correctly, or the tones are not very accurately, but listen, I tried, and I'm confident in myself. Yes, Spiral, Mandarin is a very good language to learn. and I'm learning the culture as well. My cousin is there in the military, is it? Oh, he should be having a lot of fun over there. But listen, my story is my story. My journey is my journey. Your story is your story. Your journey is your journey. And one thing is key: do not let people be confident in you before you are confident in yourself. You need to be confident in yourself. And I know that. I am confident in myself. Samly Martin. Yeah, that's my sister. Wagwan Samly. Yeah, bless up yourself. There. Easy on the live. You see it? Yes, sis. That's my only sister right there. Spiral, listen. I cannot read Mandarin. My daughter is into Korean. She has a Korean friend. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. So, okay, yeah, Korean culture is nice. I'm into Korean and Taiwanese Asian culture as well. Asian culture in general. I love Korea. I love Korean food. And I love Taiwan food. Over in Asia, they have a lot of options of food. Like, their food is not limited